Hi, this is Brian with WTI, and these are the amazing UVCDE boots that I always use to play football 5 with my friends. Let me tell you about it. These are the ones that I always use to play football 5 with my friends. Basically on turf, as you can see, it has rubber so you don't get any accident or slipping while you're playing. And let's be honest, I was just looking for an emergency pair of boots. I was not looking for something to stick with it. But at the end, the quality surprised me and I really liked it. So I went for it and I tried and I was amazed by the quality and the duration of the product. So if you ask me, I have videos from 2020 playing soccer with it, 2021 as well. And look, we are in 2024. So if you're looking for a pair of shoes to play soccer, not Wagbars, but this way, then you need to try this one at least. If you're in a budget, but you want to still have a good quality and play football, or you just want to buy something for your kids, buy this one. I'm not disappointed, so I can tell you. And this is my honest point of view.